Hi everyone, today we are going to make vegetable sauce. So hold on, let me show you how I prepared very simple vegetable sauce for eating rice. You can also use it to eat any other things of your choice. So the oil I introduced to the frying pan is olive oil. You can use vegetable oil or any other oil of your choice. After that, I went ahead to add salt, add the onions and a little pepper. The reason of frying this together is to build the aroma. And also next I'll be going to add dry curry. Yeah, I added dry curry. If you want to have any types of any flavor you want in your meal, please, if you're frying that food, make sure you first of all fry it along with onions and habanero pepper. The flavor will be very very good. So after that, the chopped habanero pepper, tomato and bell pepper, I'll go ahead and introduce them. Also fry this for like 5 minutes. I don't want all the freshness to disappear. I just want the water to go out. The next thing I'll be adding is the mackerel fish. I've already cooked and deboned it. I'll go ahead and add it and allow them to marry each other. I mean, the fish releasing its taste to the tomato and the tomato soaking its own taste to the fish. This vegetable sauce, is never something you can say I don't like. Everybody like vegetable sauce, except children who doesn't like it. And now I'll be adding garlic and ginger. I should have fried it, but remember the taste I'm looking for in this sauce is not garlic and ginger taste. I am looking for curry taste. I was craving it, so I decided to do that. Now this is spinach. I've already parboiled just little so that I will be able to remove the water that is in the spinach, because if you cut it like that and pour in there, the water is going to come up and the sauce will no longer be saucing. It will be watering. So the liquid I just added is the fish sauce, the water that I cook from the fish. Everything I'm going to stir them to combine very nicely. Remember, at this point I have already reduced the light because I don't want it to cook longer. I reduce my gas to number 3. I'm going to stir and allow it to steam just a little so that those taste will get in every food, because if you don't steam them, they will not actually taste well. Now this is our last review. Everything here is looking so good and the kids are back from school, so we're gonna eat. Thank you and make sure you like. See you next.